These are navel oranges.
Oh, they're navels. Oh, sorry, I thought there was a new kind of orange you wanted to show us.
No, I want to show you a tasty orange is what I wanted to do.
Tasty orange. And the navels
Yes.
aren't tasty?
That's right. Anyway, all right, so come on in.
Wow.
Yeah,
It's just like being in a
you have to
jungle.
beat back the jungle a little bit.
So cool. It's like a hidden room back here.
Yeah, that's
now.
right. Yeah.
Well, what have you got?
Well, mostly navel oranges. But this one right here is actually a hybrid between a navel orange and a mandarin. That's called Kiyomi. It's a Japanese citrus. And you've heard of that one, Kiyomi?
Haven't, no.
Yeah, it is a really nice one. The Miyagawa parent is a very early ripening mandarin.
Okay.
And the Trovita, the other parent, is a navel orange that will ripen in San Francisco. You see where we're going with that one?
Yeah.
San Francisco in July isn't any warmer than Victoria.
Oh,
So
nice.
from your ability to ripen and
Yes, exactly. It's got a lot of pluses to it.